Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. How to get glowing skin with aloe vera. Aloe vera is a soothing beauty ingredient with healing properties. It is beneficial in keeping the hair and skin healthy. Aloe vera helps a lot for the health and appearance of your skin, including reducing the signs of aging. It contains powerful antioxidants, which protect the skin by preventing the production of free radicals that can damage skin cells. It moisturizes your skin, keeps it hydrated, rejuvenated and glowing. This method is very simple and easy, and all you need to use is aloe vera. Most beauty products contain chemicals and toxins that can be absorbed by the body and leave harmful effects. However, this single, natural ingredient can help with all your skincare needs, and the results will amaze you. Directions. Cut the thickest outer leaf near the base of the aloe vera plant. Wash it carefully. Soften the aloe vera leaves by thumping them gently. Cut the leaves in half, or in smaller portions, just as much as you need. To peel the leaves easily, cut the edges with a knife from both sides. With your hands, split the open leaf in two. You can also use a knife to slit through its center. Use a spoon to scoop out the gel. Place it in a small bowl. Apply the aloe vera gel all over your face. Gently massage it with your fingers. Leave the gel for 15 to 20 minutes to dry on the face. Peel the aloe vera mask off the face and wash the face with lukewarm water. To gain its benefits, do not use soap in washing. Dry the face with a clean towel. If you do this routine every day for 1 week, your skin will be softer, lighter, revitalized and healthy. Your face will simply glow. Thank you for sharing your time with us. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel.